where silence weeps, I linger still among the autumn leaves. Once we danced in the moon's embrace, now I drift through the void, a forgotten trace. Years like whispers have stolen my breath, a love once vibrant, now a tale of death, a promise etched in the night's soft glow, yet fate conspired to sever our flow. Oh my love, can you hear my sigh in this twilight realm where lost spirits lie? Through the veil of time I reach for your soul, in every lifetime you make me whole. The dark history binds us with threads unseen, not by betrayal of family's king, but by shadows cast from a love so pure, a curse that binds us yet makes us endure. Laughter once echoed in the chambers of night, now it lingers softly, a flickering light. Yet here I wait in this ethereal space, in dreams of tomorrow where our hearts interlace.